So we're heading out to the park. I believe we're going to Lions Den Park in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. I'm gonna record a little bit of the drive here, and then we'll record some of the park. So hopefully you guys enjoy. Are you excited to go to the park?
Yeah.
That's good.
Thank you.
I think we're gonna keep the top up just because it's like 85 degrees outside.
Nice.
You're welcome.
I appreciate that.
Nature would you like to see?
Bird.
I think we could do that.
Water.
Oh, even better. That's kind of what I'm hoping to see.
A dog.
Check.
Bear.
I don't want to see a bear. I suppose this is where I should start my video. Lions Den Trail. That's like a dang near perfect flower. One of those little hand pointers, and I can go tap, 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 tap. There's a bird by the water.
Yeah.
That's what you wanted.
That's extra. Let's see if there are a couple birds.
This will eventually get us to actually like walk up to the water, and it's only 15 minutes away.
That's not bad.
lot of personality. All right, I think we might end this video here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. I don't know when this video is going to post, but let me know what your thoughts are, if you have any recommendations. All right, bye.